Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? Got this package on Thursday. I picked it up on Thursday, and I know what it is. It's the rest of my package that I ordered. You might have seen my whiskey unboxing just a couple of days ago as well. Well, earlier this week, and this is the rest of the stuff. I ordered 2 cigars as well, and for some reason, the cigars came afterwards, and that's a lot of bubble wrap. It could only be as such. Well, or is it? Got this package. Sorry, I'm filming this in my underwear. What could this package be? It would be weird if they packaged it like this, though. Yes, that's interesting. Yep, it was what I thought. The cigars, and I must admit that that one was actually very strange packaging. Got an opener. Fonseca light sampled 3 cigars from Terminus, and 1 Ashton. That one was actually real strange packaging, but I got the cigars that I wanted, so now I have 4 clippers, cigar clippers. So I hope you liked the video. You can like and subscribe, and if you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in the merch app down below. Otherwise, peace.